Good morning, guys. Okay, guys, today we're going to learn about the parts of the plants. Pay attention, guys. Pay attention. Listen and pay attention. Okay, guys, no, it's that. It's this one. Pay attention, everybody. I told you. Second grade. Today we're going to learn about the parts of the plants. What are the parts of the plant? We're going to recognize that. What is the learning adjective? Learn about the parts of the plants. Sorry, learn about that. Learn about the parts of the plants. Recognize the parts of the plants. And we're going to draw the parts of the plants. The parts of the plant are seeds, roots, stem. Las partes de la planta son semillas, raíces y el tallo. Also, we have flowers, we have leaves, and we have fruits. También las flores, las hojas y las frutas. Flowers. The flowers are the reproductive part of the plants. Vemos que las flores son la parte reproductiva de la planta. The leaves are designed to capture sunlight, which plants use to make food through a process called photosynthesis. Las hojas se encargan de capturar la luz del sol y eso es lo que hace que la planta lo utilice y haga la comida a través de un proceso llamado fotosíntesis. Es decir, que la planta ayuda a que las hojas, perdón, ayudan a que las plantas se alimenten también. And the fruits, they protect the seeds and attract animals to eat them. This helps in seed dispersal. Vemos que las frutas se encargan de proteger la semilla y así atraer a los animales a que se las coman. Y esto ayuda a que las semillas se dispersen y crezcan nuevas plantas. Hey guys, clear so far? ¿Están claros con lo que he dicho? Right? Move your hand, move your head, muevan su cabeza. Si están claros. Let's continue. The seeds for the new life are found inside fruit. They contain everything necessary for the growth and development of a new plant. Las semillas para una nueva vida se encuentran dentro de la fruta y ellas contienen todo lo necesario para crecer y así la planta desarrollarse. Okay? Okay, guys, repeat one more time. Guys, if you are late in the class, let's do a review because we are talking about here the parts of the plant. We're going to learn about the parts of the plant. We're going to recognize the parts of the plants, and we're going to draw the parts of the plant. Then, the parts of the plant are seeds, roots, stems. Las partes de las plantas son semillas, raíces, y el tallo. And I told you that in this process, the fruit, we recognize what is the function to the fruit, the flowers, the fruits. Vamos a hablar de la fruta. Vemos que las frutas, ellas protegen las semillas y atraen los animales para que se las coman. Y eso ayuda a que las semillas se dispersen y crezcan nuevas plantas. Las hojas se encargan son designadas para capturar la luz del sol y de esa manera hacen que a través de la comida la planta se alimente y crea un proceso llamado fotosíntesis. Las flores son la parte reproductiva de la planta. Let's continue. La semilla crea una nueva vida, ¿verdad? Y se encuentran dentro de la fruta que contiene todo lo necesario para que la planta crezca y así hace el desarrollo o crea la función o el desarrollo de una nueva planta. We have different seeds here. The seeds grow up and grow up and grow up. Roots. Roots are the most important and underground part of a plant, which are collectively called the root system. Vemos que las raíces son las partes más importantes o tienen un mayor crecimiento en las partes de la planta, lo que crea una colectividad llamada el sistema de raíces, que es el que se encarga de dispersarse y hacer que las plantas crezcan y también se reproduzca y crea nuevas plantas. We have the roots here. We have an example. Next. Stem. The stem is the part that stays above the ground. Stem es el tallo y el tallo es la parte que está arriba de el suelo. Eso es lo que es el tallo. Stems. This is an example. The stem is that part here. We have the ground here. We have the roots inside the ground. Vemos que las raíces están aquí adentro y aquí está el tallo. This is the stem. Flower. Leaves. Que no veo acá. Leaves, yes. Leaves are designed to capture sunlight with the plants and used to make food through a process called photosynthesis. Ya le comenté de qué se encargan las hojas. We have leaves here, different leaves, different size, and the flowers. Remember that the flower is a part of the reproductive part of the plants. Es la parte reproductiva de la planta. ¿Ok? Las plantas, a veces las flores crean semillas y esas semillas se caen y crean nuevas plantas. This is the process. And remember that the stem protect the seeds and attract animals to eat them. Vemos pues que ellas se encargan de proteger la semilla y hace que los animales se las coman. We have a different fruit here and I love that fruit. We have a pear, banana, strawberry, plums, different fruits that we like to eat. Okay, guys, and now I have a resume about the process of the plants. Remember, the seeds contains everything necessary to the growth and development of a new plants. The first part of the plant is the seeds. La semilla es la primera parte de la planta. Second, we have the roots. There are important and underground parts of the plant that which collect or call it photosynthesis. No photosynthesis, sorry. The root system. ¿Ok? Vemos entonces aquí que las raíces también son parte del proceso de la planta, porque ellas se encargan de que la planta crezca y ahí crean ese sistema llamado sistema de raíces. Stem is the part that is stayed above the ground. El tallo es la parte que está arriba del suelo. And the leaves are designed to capture sunlight with the plant, which the plant used to make fruit through the process called photosynthesis. Entonces las hojas son las que se encargan de la fotosíntesis. And the flowers are the reproductive part of the plants. Y las flores son la parte reproductiva de la planta. The fruits is the attract to animal to eat them. Las semillas se encargan, las frutas se encargan de proteger la semilla. And now you're going to draw a plant in your notebook and you're going to recognize their part. Thank you for participating today, guys. Okay, this is the part that I love. You know why? Because you're going to draw your part, your own part of the plants. Okay? Everybody drawing, remember.
Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this tune. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. The flower looks so beautiful and it makes the seeds that start a new plant. But the petals look pretty for a reason, you see. They attract pollinators like birds or bees. The stem is the part in the middle, and it moves water up to the rest of the plant. Through the stem that water flows, it's like a straw. Watch it go.
Everybody drawing, dibujen chicos, no miren el video.
The leaves on a plant help it to breathe, and they make the air cleaner for you and me. Get set for a big wood, you ready for this? They make food for the plant through photosynthesis. The roots hold the plant down into the ground. Underneath in the soil is where they are found. They soak up water and minerals there. They absorb stuff with their little root hairs. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this tune. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. The flower creates the seeds. Pretend you're a flower with me. The stem is like a straw. Pretend you're a stem, real tall. Leaves, they make the food. Now pretend you're doing photosynthesis, all of you. The roots anchor the plant. Hold it down tight like I know you can. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots. Each part of a plant has a job to do. Show me each part as you sing this tune. Flower, stem, leaves, and roots.
But
do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The roots, they hold the plant in place, the plant in place, the plant in place. The roots, they hold the plant in place, soak up food and water too. Do you know the parts of plants, the parts of plants, the parts of plants? Do you know the parts of plants that make them grow and grow? The stem moves water up the plant, up the plant, up the plant. The stem moves water up the plant, bring water to the leaves. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun, the rays of the sun. The leaves soak up the rays of the sun and help the plant make food.
Okay, guys. Thank you for participating today in the class.